my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry.
Today na another day wey God carry us come, and this program wey dey come on our way na the program wey we dey call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. I dey greet una, how una dey? I hope say una full ground kakaraka. Today I dey with Grace Adebayo.
Thank you very much, my area people. Hope na dey shine, hope na dey kakaraka.
I also dey with Gloria Enoch.
My area people, I greet you now. Una good morning, una good evening, una good afternoon.
My name na Sarah Agbon. Abeg, if una dey watch this program for the very first time, make una just subscribe to this program. Make una like, make una share. Make una also drop una comment for us as we dey move for the program. Make una no go far. Today, the topic wey we wan carry come give una be say, among the man and the woman, who you think say e dey hard working? So na the topic wey we carry come be that. Grace and Gloria.
Yes.
No say when they talk of hard work, it is different. But now, I want make you concentrate. Check how man they carry out their activities and how woman they carry out her own activities. Then we go they look and we go check see whether na the man or na the woman na in they work very very hard. We know they talk of hard working of say. Whether not only the man would bring money or only the woman would bring money. But the person where they fully committed to make sure say he put everything in order and still they find money. Now that one we want to talk about. So if we talk about how person they very hard working in the family, now be say we they check all the activities where they around the house and activities where they outside the house, we will also bring income come for the family, put food on top table for the family. So make una no forget say the program where they come on our way, we they call an Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. And the program they always bring different story come give una the things where they happen for different area. If una get una own story for una area where una know say una want reach us, una go fit reach us for this number. If you get us there, una go tell us the story where una get different things wey happen for una area. Abeg make una carry am come. We go talk about them for this program. Now the thing wey we dey do for here be that. So Grace, now when we talk about that hard work, you know say some men dey feel say na them dey work pass because then they enter office. Once they come out for house, they go enter inside office. And once they reach office, as long as they come the same, and then they carry money come house. They don't regard anything where the woman they do for house. So they will see the woman like you just sit down for house, you don't do anything. And this woman feel also get business. They do. Some women you go see center for front of their house and get shop. So within that period, after she don't finish everything which she want to do for house, I don't want to mention them because now I will mention all those things. So after she don't finish everything which she want to do for house, even some of them they will see they work for inside house. People go they knock the house. Bam bam, I want to buy this. I want to buy this. The woman they busy they go up and down. But the man at the end of the day, because this story where they tell you that because of the thing where some women they talk for area, now it make me they talk him. So when the men come back now, they will come look at the woman and say, what see they do since for house? You sit down, since morning you sit down for house. And the man don't forget say, she too, they busy for house, they do some things. Maybe if he be say, you get one thing where the woman no do. When the man will come back, come and say, the woman no do it. To me, I go come say, if the woman no do it, as you come meet her, why you no go help to do it? So now that one make us bring this topic, say, among the two of them, make we analyze them, make we see who they work, plenty work. And they also struggle to make money for the house. Grace Adebayo.
Oh, I want to greet our mothers, all the mamas out there. In fact, I truly big kiss for una. Well done. Una reward as I don't talk personally. Say our reward na heaven, na in day. No man on earth fit reward the kind hard work, the kind patience, the kind katakata wey they take for body. Na only God na him fit reward us. You see this topic wey they talk so We don't talk say men no dey try o, una try o, and I know say we love una well well, and we dey continue to dey pray for una, make God continue to dey bless the keep una. But the truth matter be say women dey try. Women dey try well. I know say some men too dey out there wey be say they understand wetin women dey go through at times, maybe in terms of housework, because woman go wake up, e don already dey inside her brain, don already program inside her head say she dey responsible. Na she get the responsibility to sweep o, to mop o, to wash o, to cook o, to take care of pikin. Pikin no fit sleep, she no fit sleep. Pikin no fit chop, she no fit chop. In fact, na we dey carry the last bottom part of pot. Na we dey carry am dey chop, because if everybody never chop belle full to even put the food for mouth, you no go fit as a mother. All of us know now, una know na dey listen, na dey laugh. Na so e be. You no go fit carry the food put for mouth, because you go dey wait make everybody make him chop, make him belle full, make him dey satisfied. As in you dey wait make everybody dey alright before you go come take care of yourself. How many men outside there care about that one? I don't talk say they no dey care of them, they care that they do their work. But in aspect of showing of love, too much love for housework, and then taking responsibility for everybody, na woman, na she get it. In fact, if you get something they call 101%, na then get am. Because man own be say e go wake up, bath, don't wan help you, sweep small, sweep man, so you sweep now, and then we go call am sha. Just go help you sweep small. You go do the small one wey you wan do, waka go tell you, so bye o, chop o. At times even me, the thing dey pain me for body, say pikin go dey sick, but you go dey see some men, dem go dey sleep dey snore far. You don go. Nothing concern you, go there. Abalagbaja, you don't see this pikin no fit sleep, but you know what, you go dey alright, you don go. Mothers, God will bless us.
Amen. So, Gloria.
My area people, I greet una again. This matter when we bring, we talk together, maybe we share with una. Na better matter. If we want look am well, woman, they try you. But you get some men where they work well. I still greet them. I still raise hand for them. Because men, you get some where they help their wife well for house, even for outside. Even you get some men where we say, even though they did their shop, they still they remember things when they get to do for house. I remember some people go say, let I send something go house. And the house boy go say, okay, this is my boy where they shop. Carry this thing go house. You get some when they remember house at all. If they don't come out for house, till when they go come back. But you get some where we say, even as they day office, they still they remember their house.
No, make you no come forget, say, wetin we dey even talk now, be say, the work. The work where they around family.
The work where they just say work where they inside house. You know, say get some men where we say they sabi do housework well. I know some people from my area where we say in the morning, now the man they bath the children. Now the man they dress up the children. Before he go come bath, come dress up, come go his own work. He get some women where we say then they no sabi wake up. Oh, me I be mother, I be woman too. Some never wake up. The man go first they wake up, put water for fire for the children to bath. So for my own, as I dey look, for the ones where me I notice for my own area now I go take talk. So I see say the men they work, the wife they work. But if you want to say we look who work pass, because of say woman get more work than the man for inside house, now woman work pass. But the men they try. Because the men they support the women. Any man where we say they support the wife for housework, he no do well. Because woman work they finish. Housework they finish.
Yes, you so know the complaint where happen for area where the man they talk about. Say the woman there for house,
not do anything.
And the woman get shop for front of house. So in come they feel say as long as na him they come out go.
Nine walk pass.
No, so the woman no work. You understand? So you go call the complaint say wetin you dey do for house since morning, no be house you dey. And him don't forget say even the woman dey contribute for the
money
money wey dey come
house.
inside house.
Mm-hmm.
She go do the housework finish, still dey contribute for money
Yes.
wey dey come. You understand?
Mm.
Na that one be the main problem wey make the woman dey vex say how the husband go dey look her like that say because you know wetin the woman come talk say okay if na to go out now make she ma leave this shop wey dey here, make she go another place go find shop, pack her things go there so that she too go dey comot in the morning. So dem go see how dem go take share. You understand?
So that kind one wey dem talk like that, where the thing wey the man do wey make the woman say make me ma comot go get shop for outside make we see the difference. Na im be the kind proverb wey dem dey talk say when two elephant fight the grass na im go suffer, na the children go suffer. Because that house wey that woman dey, e dey give pikin breast, dem go say kpankpan, e go leave pikin say e go hold pikin run go, e go sell market, e go come back, food dey fire o, e go still dey cook the food, e go still dey cook wetin dem go come back come eat. E still wan sweep, e never sweep finish, e go leave this one half, e go go back do this one, e go come back come finish that one. So woman dey work pass man. If na house work o, and the woman ma e dey contribute, dey bring things, small small things come house wey become food for everybody to eat. E dey contribute to the money wey everybody dey enjoy. So the woman work very well.
So please, which advice you go advise
No,
the men and the woman?
My advice e dey very straightforward. As we don dey talk and dey say do to others as you want make dem do to you. Do you understand? In anything wey you wan do, make you put yourself in that situation. You man wey no wan help your wife, wey be say you go leave only her, na she go sweep, na only she go mop, na only she go cook, na only she go do this. You wan use her so that she e no good. And you woman too wey be say maybe man don dey help you small, you wan come dey cross leg, wan come dey use am say na authority. Make you think am twice, make you do well. So my own prayer be say God will continue to dey bless everybody and make we just learn to do the right thing at the right time. God bless you.
My people, I thank una very well as una dey for studio. Una don talk wetin good and wetin we suppose to tell our listener, our viewers. I hope say una dey hear, una go get una own perspective. Make una drop una comment so that we know una reaction to this particular topic wey we carry come give una. And my final advice to everybody there now, make everybody work with understanding. If the man understand, say, see as he be for my family, and see the kind work wey dey for ground for my family, then make the woman to understand, say, see as he be for my family. Then everybody will know how they will come together. Then share parts of all the activities wey dey for the house, so that everybody will enjoy their living. No be wetin go carry argument come. No be wetin go make man dey feel say na him do pass, and no be wetin go make the woman feel say na she do pass. If una work with unity and understanding, everything will work well for us. So with this, we don come to the end of the program on Procyon Radio and Television, and the program wey una dey lis ten to na area Tori. Our different social media handles dey. We dey for YouTube, we dey for Facebook, we dey for Instagram, we dey for Twitter. And if we just want get us, make una just type Procyon RTV. Procyon RTV, and the Procyon when they spell am PROCYON. Na Procyon be that. Then you go RTV. Una go just see us. Our page go open. All the programs wey we get there, una go dey watch us, una go dey listen to us, una go dey see us. Abeg, una always subscribe, drop una comment, like and share our video. I want to thank Grace Adebayo for coming to the studio. God bless you. I want to thank Gloria Enoch too. Thank you very much. And Mike Boniface, when they take care of the technical things. Mike, I say thank you for taking care of us. God bless you. And to you, my listener, I want to say, look una dey shine like the star wey una be. My name is Sarah Agbon.
Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry. me my salary. I want to